Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unhide a post on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide a post on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you had hidden some post. And from your homepage, guys, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture just below the home icon at the top left. Tap on that and you'll be over here on the profile section of your account. From here, scroll down until you can find the post which you had hidden, and you can see, guys, this is the one of the post I had hidden. So in order to unhide it, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon, and or when this menu appears, tap on the edit privacy. And over here, guys, if your post is hidden, the only me which you can see over here is currently on this post privacy. If it's on only me, then your post is hidden. Now in order to unhide it, simply tap on the public, and then your post will be on hidden, because if it when on only me, that post will be hidden from everybody except you on your profile. But in order to unhide it, just tap on public and it will be publicly available for everybody to view on your Facebook profile. And with that being said, guys, this is how you unhide a post on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.